Hey guys, what's up? NJ Pyro here. So we're going to do an unboxing of world-class fireworks, junk in the trunk. Alright. I believe this was either $20 or $30. I'm sorry, I don't remember. It was a few months ago that I got this. I think it's $30. And I got this at Pocono Fireworks Outlet in Tannersville PA. Alright, let's get this started. We'll start right here on the top. This is a Boomer 96 shot color pearl flower. Get this little guy out right here. World class magic black snakes. Some Boomer snappers. Probably 25 in here, maybe 50. Alright, some good stuff here. M5000 crackers, maximum load, 12. Some Mighty Crackers by World Class Fireworks. Should be 100 in here. Oh, nope, 50. Alright. Boomer Desert at Night. This one seems a little bigger than the other ones I've done. It's a performance amid showers of red, green stars, and white glittering for 10 seconds, then shoots up to red and blue stars each 3 times. These are always fun. I love hybrids. We have a few packs here of Ground Bloom Flowers by World Class. 3 packs of 6. Got a fountain here by Boomer called Wow. Oh, nope, this is not a fountain. I'm sorry guys, it's not a fountain. This is like a little shell. You see that the fuse is here, shoots flaming balls and reports. So it's cool. Like a little shell thing here. Alright, so next we got 2 packs of 6 of Boomer Roman candles. 5-ball. I've done these plenty of times. It's fun. Alright, last, I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. Hold on guys, let me get this last item out. Kind of stuck in there. Alright. This is Saturn missiles by World Class. 100 shots. And maybe I'll get to that on the 4th. So I think I already have one of these sitting out there in my little hut. Alright, so that was Junk in the Trunk by World Class Fireworks. Once again, I got this in Tannersville PA, Pocono Fireworks Outlet. And I want to say $29.99. It could have been easily $19.99. So that's what I'm thinking. It was $19.99. This was not one of the more expensive assortments that I bought that day. So, thanks for watching.